Today we're going to set up the Calypso Double Plus breast pump. Let's take a look at what we need, but first of all we need to wash our hands before handling the equipment. First we have our Breastshell. Your nipple is going to be going into this tunnel here. It's really important that you're using the correct Breastshell size. There is a video that covers this in more detail. Just click the link below. The Calypso comes with two sizes, a 26mm Breastshell and a 22mm silicone insert. So if you're using the 22mm silicone insert, this can be placed inside the 26mm Breastshell. There are other sizes available on Ardo's website. They also have a helpful sizing guide you can download. This is a lip valve which is connected to the Breastshell here. Be careful when using this, it's a really important part of the pump. Take it off from the thick sides when you're dismantling it and don't use a bottle brush to clean it. We then have our bottle container which we're going to screw on, and we have our membrane pot. It needs to face with the smooth sides facing outwards, and then once it's in, just give it a little tap to make sure that it's fully down. The membrane pot is an integral part of the pump set, protecting the breast milk and the breast pump from contamination, making it a closed system breast pump. Now we need to take our green cap. As you can see, there is a line here. This needs to align with the line here on the Breastshell when we first place the cap on. Then we want to rotate it towards the right. One end of the silicone tubing needs to go on this part of the green cap. We also have the other end of the silicone tubing which will have the tube connector on it. And then this part will be going into the front of the pump here, and if we are single pumping, we need to be closing this little cap on the end, if you can see it there. So we're going to close that, or if we're going to be double pumping, we need to put together another pump set, and then the other tube will be connected to this part of the tube connector.
There is a connection point for the cable in the back which can be plugged into a plug socket. There is also the option to use batteries which fit into the back of the pump. This gives you a more portable option. The Calypso has a bottle holder which can be hooked onto the back of the pump, where you can store your bottles when you are finished expressing. This helps prevent spilling your precious breast milk.
We've assembled the Calypso, now it's ready to be used. Let's take a look at the functions. This is the on-off button, and this is the vacuum and cycle settings buttons.
There are 8 different vacuum and cycle settings which can be individually adjusted for your comfort. When you start expressing, make sure you are in a relaxed environment. Try not to look at the pump, instead look at your baby or a video. Start with the cycles high and the vacuum lower to help stimulate a letdown. This mimics a baby's feeding behaviour at the start of a feed, where they rapidly suckle to stimulate the letdown. We have a video that covers the letdown in more detail. The link is below. When you notice the milk starts to flow, lower the cycles as you are already stimulated and increase the vacuum to the setting that is still comfortable.
The vacuum and cycle settings can be adjusted with the arrows on the Calypso. For example, if you want to increase the vacuum, press the upward arrow. If you want to decrease the vacuum, press the downward arrow. Experiment with the settings to find the ones that are most comfortable for you and that get the milk flowing best. If you want to learn more, click the link below for more videos to help you express with the Calypso.